Are you currently having problems with your Instagram bio that it won't change and you want to be able to fix it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do first is to just open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, it should now take us to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just select where it says settings and privacy, as you can see. So click there, and now it should take you to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says help. So click on help, and then we're going to actually click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem, then click on include and continue, and you should now be taken to this page right here. And now the most important in here is going to be for us to actually write to the Instagram support that we actually are experiencing issues with this. And by the way, I was able to fix it by doing exactly that, so I think that this will also work for you. So what you're going to do, you're going to write like this: I am having issues with not being able to change my Instagram bio. I need this to be fixed. So basically, fixed. So this is exactly what you need to write to them. I am having issues with not being able to change my Instagram bio. I need this to be fixed. And now click on send in the top right corner. And what will happen now is that you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see this. And then hopefully it will now be able to be fixed for you as well.